Severe thunderstorms unleashed their fury on eastern Nebraska and southwestern Iowa on Wednesday, leading to widespread power outages, particularly in the Omaha metro area.
Now I lost power.
The Fox Forecast Center identified the storm system as a bow echo, a particularly dangerous formation, as it tore through Nebraska's largest city, causing significant wind damage.
Baby, I think the back...
Holy shit. I know, dude. I dodged such a bullet.
At Omaha's Epley Airfield, the region's busiest airport, wind gusts soared to a staggering 90 miles per hour. The airport was subsequently closed for several hours to allow crews to assess the damage, but operations have since resumed.
Bird feeder's going.
Holy fuck, bro!
Bird feeder's going haywire.
Whoa! Holy shit! Whoa. Holy fuck!
Across Nebraska, the storm left a trail of destruction, including damaged awnings and uprooted trees. At the peak of the storm, power outage DOS reported over 250,000 power
I need to
outages.
look at my fucking car after this. All of it?
All of it? What do you mean all of it? It's a big ass. All of it was down on the bed.
crashed into the house.
Did it?
Yeah.
Bird feeder's going.
Holy fuck, bro!
Bird feeder's.
The Omaha Public Power District, the area's primary utility provider, described the event as the largest restoration effort in recent memory. They urged patience as crews began the extensive cleanup process. The windstorm knocked out power for 220,545 customers, OPPD announced on Wednesday night. We've seen wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour in some areas, with significant tree damage and downed wires reported. The National Weather Service indicated that most of the damage was due to straight-line winds. However, meteorologists plan to investigate further to determine if any tornadoes were embedded within the storm system.
Holy fuck! Oh my god! Is that the wind?
Where's that?
Holy shit! Hi, Boo.
The damage is widespread and intense, mainly from straight-line winds. We've received some reports of gustnado circulations, and we'll need to assess if there are any tornado damage tracks within the straight-line wind areas. Remarkably, despite the severity of the weather, no fatalities were reported. The Omaha Henry Dorley Zoo and Aquarium also suffered extensive tree damage, but all staff and animals were reported safe.
Trees down everywhere.
The majority of the reported damage involved downed trees, power lines, and damaged roofs and windows. As the storm system moves eastward, the region is expected to see a respite from severe weather.
Jeez. We can get this thing out the road.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.